Yeah. Dedicated to all my hustlers that's a product of their environment. Whether getting money legally or illegally, we gotta do what we gotta do to survive, man. Woo! Yeah. Grew up and screw up, baby. Got introduced to the game. I ain't took a breath yet. Let's go. Ever since I was an embryo, waiting to shape up and ship out. Something in my brain said, wake up and kick out. Roberta and Wayne stayed up and flipped out. Cause when I came, I was draped up.
I'm a ticket, fam, yeah, I'm coming. Damn, it's been a minute since I seen where I'm from, and I wanna glide to my nest in the east. I'm not there, but I'm home, so I'm resting in peace. See, I'm surrounded by the city. Wherever I go, I breathe, I know that I'ma take it with me. Look, whether I'm top of the world or top of the charts, that uptown west side lives in my heart. As I depart on my mission in life, I close my eyes and I see the never different lights. I'm missing the nights.
Slip the umbilical, spit the government chip out. Piece up A-Town down and then I dipped out. And oh my gosh, the Oshkosh was picked out. I slipped in, even my baby stroller was tricked out. Somebody get them, the little niggas out of control. Put a little bit of rum in my bottle, I dream about diamonds and gold, gold, gold. To grow from an infant to toddler was effervescing. The essence of adolescence got my body feeling fresh and fresh and fresh. And it was a blessing to rhyme and start repping. I was the best in my section with flows harder than erections. Still the best, but now I'm grown with more range than a text. And I'm a heavyweight, you niggas is lighter than my complexion.
This kind of music, use it and you get amped to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids to trash their rooms with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it, you just know. That's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion, the drastic movement of people acting stupid.
When I came into the game, they ain't do nothing but doubt me. Now the whole game's changing, it ain't nothing without me. Picking up my sloppy seconds as they reach for the crown. Only reason you on that song is cause I turned that down. I went from Hot Wheels to